things like punishment with my father because I'm the eldest also.
So poor. Sometimes I didn't make mistakes, but maybe my sister, my
Yeah.
younger sister, she fell down or did something wrong. My mom would say, you are
Your fault.
Yeah,
It's your fault.
too. So she also punished my sister, but
More of you. More punishment with you.
yeah. So I say, not my fault. So now I just tell my sisters, I hated you when I was young. You always made a lot of mistakes.
Okay, but after all of that, I still forgive my father. Yeah, but we didn't see each other. Yeah, until then, or since then that they have separated. It's okay. Okay. So here, another heinous crime is rape. So this one is not really good. Okay.
Yeah, especially for women.
Yeah, women. Okay, so rape is another heinous crime we often overlook. So it demolishes a woman's, or it degrades, or it omits, erase woman's self-respect, and also men. Yeah, because there are some guys that has been raped also, but not really often.
Right. It's very few, I think.
Very few. But society often blames the victims of rape. That is why it's been overlooked most of the time. Because the society often blames the victims of rape rather than the rapists themselves. So this is rape, the victim, and then this is the suspect. Okay, that's
Suspect.
Suspect. Yeah. Why?
Yeah, I know why society.
Often blames. Because there are some cases that, somehow the victims has a fault or mistake because maybe in a situation that they go out late at night, yes, and they want to go roam around with their friends, and then there's a guy who was a dirty-minded person, so so maybe he has a fault, but then he has a fault also.
Yeah, but the victim, the girls, have the freedom to do that, right? So maybe a little, just a little. But it's not fair for girls. But why? Some people, I think, when I was young, my teacher told us